Alright, so welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at how to name compounds having double and triple bonds. We've looked at how to name compounds with double bond. We've seen how to name compounds with triple bond. Now when you have both double and triple bond in a compound, how do you name them? Now let's look at the first example here. But first, before we even start naming, I would like you to understand something. Double bond always have preference over triple bonds. So if you are numbering, ensure that you give preference to double bond. All right, you understand what that means? Let's go on. Let's do this first one. If you are to solve, if you are to name this, first, there's a double bond here and there's a triple bond here. If I'm numbering this, 1, 2, 3, 4, I can't number from here because I want to give the double bond preference. The double bond should have lower numbering compared to triple bond. Do you understand? So the double bond now is on carbon 1 and the triple bond is on carbon 3. So the parent chain, this is 4. So you see it's boot. So it will start with boot something, boot. Now double bond is coming now, boot 1 in, boot 1 in, 3 ion. See how it is done. Boot 1 in, 3 ion. In no circumstance will you put ion before in, like ion before in. In is always coming before ion. The double bond is always coming before the triple bond. You get? So this is boot 1 in, 3 ion. And please take note of how I'm putting my hyphen. Boot hyphen 1 hyphen in hyphen 3 hyphen ion. Anytime you want to put word and number, you have to put hyphen. If it's number and number, you put comma. Do you get? All right. Now the second one here, if you are to number this, please take note here. Some of you will be tempted to number from here 1, 2, 3. But if you number, okay, now let's look at it. If I'm numbering from here, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm numbering from here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at this. Numbering from here, triple bond is on position 1 and double bond is on position 3. That is 1 and 3. If I'm numbering from here, double bond is on position 2 and double bond is on position, and triple bond is on position 4 here. 2 and 4. If you add this is 4. If you add this is 6. So some of you will be tempted to go this way to give both of them the lowest possible numbering. But the case is different here because we want to give preference to the double bond. If you are numbering from left to right, the double bond is on carbon 2. If you are numbering from right to left, the double bond is on carbon 3. We want to give the guy here the lowest numbering, double bond. Double bond is, it takes preference. So we have to number the way in such a way that the double bond will have the lowest numbering. So here we have to go with this way. So double bond will be on carbon 2. So this one is out. So if you are naming this now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know it's pent something. Pent. The double bond is on position 2. 2 in, 2 in, pent 2 in, and 4 ion. Pent 2 in, 4 ion. Hold on. This in, please, and this 4 ion. So pent 2 in, 4 ion. That's the name. Take note of that again. Now the last one, before you do the classwork for me to check if you really understand. If you have something like this, you're asked to name. First, if you count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4. The triple bond is on carbon 1 and the double bond is on carbon 4. Carbon 3, abomination. If you count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bond is on carbon 1, triple bond is on carbon 3. Good. Remember, we want to give the double bond the preference. So you can't give triple bond the preference when double bond is there. It's wrong. It's an abomination in organic chemistry. So now we have to number from right to left so that the double bond will have preference. So numbering from right to left, The double bond is on carbon 1, while the triple bond is on carbon 3, right? Good. So first, this is 4 carbon chain, so it's boot something. So we have boot. And don't say because triple bond is here, you now start with "-ine". No. Another abomination. Start with "in". So boot 1 in 3 ine. Boot 1 in 3 ine. That's the name of this compound. It's very, very simple. Now, let me see if you actually understand. Name this one and drop it in the comment section. Name this and drop it in the comment section. This is your classwork. Now, if you miss any video in this series, go back to my channel. Check the playlist. Don't miss any video on organic chemistry. Go there and watch. Also, drop this in the comment section. Drop in the comment section the country you're watching from, so I'll share love from here. See you in my next video. My name is Excellence Simplified.